Hi, Chris. My name is Alina, and I'm a project manager at Wire Delta. First of all, thank you so much for trying our app. Hope it gave you a bit of insight into how your website is performing currently, and if you should consider improving it, where are those areas where you need to improve. Now, the reason why I'm here this week is because I want to take you through this report and basically touch upon the most important things that we see uh, need improvement on your website. And you can already see from the top three suggestions, our algorithm has found that your loading time is 4.83 seconds, which is quite high compared to Google's recommendations for 2 seconds on desktop and 1 second on mobile. I can also see that you have suggestions for speed tips, where it says that there are too many CSS files and there are too many JavaScript files. So let's take it one step at a time and discuss each and every one of them. So loading time, as you can see, can be caused by a plethora of things. It can be caused by too many files. It can be caused by too many plugins in your case, since your website is a WordPress website. It can be caused by the theme itself. If you are using a page builder, then it can be caused by a page builder. Basically, it can be a lot of things. I can already see that you guys are using WorldGrid and WordPress. However, it's clear that combined together, WorldGrid and WordPress don't seem to work that fast. Um, you may also have a lot of plugins that are not optimized or they're very heavy. Basically, what you need to do now is contact a WordPress developer specifically and have them look into your theme, into your plugins, and they can see where they can improve. If the theme is the problem, then you will have to, change it and switch it for a better theme. If it's just the plugins that are the problem, then maybe they can remove plugins you don't need or you don't use. Maybe you replace them with more optimized plugins. And of course, install those plugins that, like VP Bracket, that are actually helping with optimizing your page speed, caching, optimizing your media, and so on and so forth. The second thing that I mentioned was the HTML page and the size of it. It says here that you have too many CSS files and too many JavaScript files. Now, this may be caused by the theme itself. It may also be caused by custom things that you guys have built. A WordPress developer would know where to look and would know which ones are the files that come from the theme and which ones are custom files. And they would also know how to remove or what to remove from your CSS files. Files that are not used, files that still render even though they do nothing. And again, if this is because of your theme, then they might want to again replace the theme with something that's a lot lighter and works a lot better. The third suggestion was an XML sitemap. If you guys don't have already a sitemap created, ask the developer to create a map and upload it on your Google Search Console. This will help Google find absolutely every single page, every single article on your website and rank them and index them properly. If you don't have an XML map, then you risk having pages being missed in indexing, and then you will have indexing errors, which are dragging down your rank overall. If you want to go a little bit further, you can also go down into performance, and you can see here that on desktop you perform quite well. However, on mobile it's not that good. So when you ask the developer to optimize your plugins, your CSS files, the theme itself, ask them to focus specifically on mobile. Now, I understand that your users might not necessarily come from mobile. However, when Google does their index, whether your users come from mobile or not, in this situation is irrelevant because Google is not going to look into your desktop version. Is going to rank and index your mobile version first. So if your mobile version doesn't perform as Google expects it to, then your rank is going to be lower, which means that you're not going to be prioritized in searches for your users. So have a look into that. So if you do need any help or if you do need any advice, don't hesitate to contact us. We have a team of WordPress developers that are very experienced and ready to help you out. So just reach out to us and we'll help you as much as we can. Thank you for watching and have a good week.